Take a ride in the 2024 Lincoln Nautilus. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate. Your new ride is just a phone call away.